Today, I'm going to make eggplant masala with eggplant from my
Wow,
backyard
look
garden.
at this beauty.
First, let's harvest the eggplants. We only need a few ingredients, as I cook my vegetables with just salt, chili powder, and turmeric. I think it is better this way. You can enjoy the real taste of the vegetables. I'm taking oil in a pot. Saute onions for a minute or two. Add tomatoes and shake the spices into it. I just want to mention that I love to shake the spices instead of measuring. I just do and I check. I suggest using a quarter teaspoon of each chili powder and turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of salt for about 1 pound of vegetables combined. Cook a little bit. Mix well and add eggplant and potatoes. I believe cooking should be easy and simple. There's no need for a hard and fast rules. So feel free to experiment while cooking. Add water and let the vegetables cook for a few minutes on low flame with lid on. Delicious. Eggplant and potatoes are ready. Goes great with basmati rice or chapati. If you like my easy recipes, don't forget to subscribe.